So we just did about 30-kilometer ride from town. Didn't take long, lovely ride. And now we have parked and we're gonna walk to the falls. It's 2,000 to park the bike. It was 80,000 rental for the scooter and about 20 for gas, which is much better than taking a tuk-tuk because it'd be about 50,000 per person each way. Therefore, we're cutting it in half, plus it's more adventure and always more fun. So excited to get in there, check it out. This has been on the list for years. So excited. Okay, so we are clearly at number 1 and we're gonna start walking up to the top of the waterfall, check out the views and explore a bit before dipping in, swimming, and doing all of the footage and everything else. First time explore, see what's up. Well, we decided to take a little break. Forest is really peaceful. The waterfalls are pretty crowded. So we're waiting a little bit for the people to kind of head off. Because most of the people are on tours with guides. So we can stay all day, wait for them to leave, and go back around sunset. But until then, a little nap in the hammock. Nice life. So this is the bottom of Kuang Si Falls. It was lovely exploring around. It is definitely something you have to hit. You're in Luang Prabang. It's very nice and beautiful. The downside, of course, is there's a lot of infrastructure and a ton of tourists. But if you can look past that and just see the beauty through all of it, then you definitely come. It's only about a $2.50 entrance fee and quite easy and close to get to. The road here is very well laid out. Anybody could ride on a scooter. So definitely come and do it. It's worth it. This is very relatable to waterfall in Sumba called Matayangu, but they're maybe not as beautiful. However, there were no tourists. We were there all day by ourselves, no infrastructure, no trash, no things like that. If you want to see what I'm talking about the waterfall in Sumba, Matayangu, you can check out one of our videos on Sumba. That's another good reason to come here. There's a bear rescue center. I only saw one of them for a second. However, they are around, and I'm sure if you spend a little more time trying to see them and talking with the people, you could. They help them, bring them from the wild for, of course, cubs, maybe with the mother was killed. It is a good rehabilitation rescue center, not zoo type. So